we stand. Hand in hand we make our plans. With dreams as big as the sky, nothing can stop you and I. Through the storm and through the rain, through the joy and through the pain, with each step we're growing strong. This is where we both belong. Rise together, you and me, shining bright for all to see. Every mountain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Makena Daviela. Hi guys, how are you doing? Miss. Oh my goodness guys, I told you ukienda missing on YouTube. When you go missing, ukiendaga. This is me crawling back to you guys. Sijui guys, I don't know how I'm even doing this intro guys. Sijui. How are you doing guys? I really missed you guys. It's been not rough, a couple of days. Let me say it's been a couple of days since I posted my last vlog. The last vlog that you saw was during the kindergarten graduation of Samara. At least now we are looking for a school for her to join for her grade 1. Hopefully we are going to get one. That is what has been preoccupying me. I have been so busy guys, school hunting. Hopefully I'm going to get a school before December, because we're supposed to look for a school within this duration, because they are going to be conducting interviews for them. I need to get the school portfolio guys. It's a lot. Adulting is a scam. Adulting is a scam. Any adults in the house? Story. So guys, I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new vlog. Guys, bado sijapaint nyumba. The blue doors, forget about them. I told you, forget about them. Ignore them. Ignore them. Time ya kurenovate nyumba ikifika guys, you're going to love it. I'm also waiting for that time. I can't wait. I'm really waiting for the time that I'm going to get rid of this color. Guys, it's a process, and any process involves some money. You need to have some money. House renovations are not easy guys, you know that, right? So guys, in today's vlog, I don't want to talk much. I just wanted to come here and say hi, because I really missed you guys. And sikuwa nataka vlog ianze tu maclips zina flow na hamjaniona guys, because I really missed you guys, and I'm happy to have a new vlog. I welcome new subbies here. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing guys. I'm road to 2,000. Aki guys, if you've not subscribed, kindly check hapo chini. If you've not subscribed, if you've not subscribed, just check there. Once you hit the subscribe button, itasema subscribed BED. Kama yako isemi subscribed, just know you ain't doing a girl any favor. Subscribe hapo chini guys, and the most important thing, like this video. You know why? Because that is the only way YouTube is going to recommend this video to so many people guys, right? And we want my video to go outside there so that many people can be able to see my videos, and we can grow the family. So guys, I don't have much in this vlog. It's a cozy vlog. It's been a couple of rainy days in Nairobi. Hata sahi kunanyesha guys. It's drizzling, it's been cold, it's been rainy. Just enjoy the vlog guys. Just enjoy the vlog. Teremsha kio.
which this took place was a Sabbath. And so the Jewish leaders said, like, the man who made me well said to me, pick up your mat and walk. So they asked him, who is this fellow who told you to pick up your mat and walk?
Wewe kwenda.
As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and light. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Walking in cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best, living wild and free. With you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side.
Hi guys, it's been a while, and the reason that I have decided to do a voiceover, it's because I want to do a review for the washing machine, because some of you down on the comment section have been asking me to do that for some time, and I haven't really gotten the chance to do that in my previous videos, but here is the day. But first of all, a little commotion for the natural hair girlies. What do you think? What do you think, guys? I want to grow my edges back. I really feel that I have been plaiting my hair every other time. Nikitoa narudisha. But this time I really wanted my hair to relax and stay that for some time. Let's go back to the washing machine review, because this is the Hisense 9kg fully automatic, because we have the top load and this is the front load, guys. That is what I wanted, because it's fully automatic. You hardly do anything when kazi yako ni kuanika nguo, if you can remember, guys. So here I'm sorting out the clothes, the darks according to color. An important thing about the washing machine, you really have to take time to sort out your clothes. You can see I'm putting the reds together, the grays together. Like, really take time to sort out your clothes, otherwise utashanga, because the washing machine doesn't predict at hizi nguo ni hii color, so you really have to do that by yourself, so that the laundry can be done properly. So guys, I'm also running out of the washing powder. I need to restock on that. And guys, can you remember, this is the one that we bought before I even moved? Hey, I think this is very economical than buying the sachet one. The sachet one doesn't really stay, but this one ilikaa sana, guys. So this is after I have sorted out the clothes. I decided to start with the dark ones first. Because I think sorry guys, because I think those were the most dirtiest. And another hack, guys, if you're using a washing machine, always make sure you tie your zips, as in you not tie, as in ufunge zip. Any cloth that has any zip, make sure you zip up the clothes. If it's the trousers, the jeans that have buttons, make sure you button everything. Like, make sure nguo ziko hivyo, because unaweza risk the washing machine, because maybe a zip can come out when the machine is spinning, and you don't want to risk spoiling your machine. Your zip iende kwa drum, and then the drum ianze kuharibika. And you know, guys, the cost of making the machine, of course, it's not less than 3,000 kupanda. So why risk it? And then another thing, guys, you really have to be patient when using the machine. Guys, I really don't have patience when it comes to doing laundry, but with the Hisense automatic one, you really have to have patience. This is not a paid advert. I'm just showing you what I usually do when I'm doing laundry, guys. Yeah. And then another thing, always make sure you have constant good flow of water. You remember we shifted to this place because I really wasn't using my machine, and that was not a good thing. So make sure the water pressure is perfect. Here the water is always constant. We have never lacked water, guys. I'm so happy with the decision that we made by moving into this place, guys. So another thing, when using the machine, you really need to soak the whites. I'm yet to restock on the best laundry products, because I believe I don't have them here. I was just using a bleach, the regular bleach for the whites. So you can see I was just soaking them using some jik and washing powder. And then on the other bucket, I wanted to soak them the colored clothes. So there I just went in with a little bit of washing powder. And guys, most people that are using the washing machine, most of them, we try to ease off the work, not even ease off, like for it to have amazing results. The dirtiest clothes, like zile ziko chafu sana, like za watoto, you really need to soak them. ndio zitoke zikiwa perfectly clean, guys. So as you can see here, I'm putting in only the colored clothes, and for my babies, because wanacheza huko nje, they're playing outside, they are always coming home dirty, so I really take time to soak them. After the dark ones have already been done from the washing machine, I'm going to put in the colored ones, because the whites, I think I'm going to do them on the following day. So you can see I'm putting everything inside, and I think that is it for the washing machine review. And guys, when I'm going to restock on the laundry products, I'm going to show you, because I really urgently need them. The washing machine pods, the drum clean tablets, I really need to get those, and I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to get them in a store like Pandamat or China Square. I haven't gotten the time to do that. So any questions, see you on the comment section.
Unajua vile Mungu ametufanyia, vile ametutetea, akisi tungepotea.